Here's a quick introduction to BFLOW. We're the billing and revenue cycle platform built specifically for DME, HME, and pharmacy providers. In the next few minutes, you'll see what we do, who we do it for, and how you'll actually work with us. If you run DME billing, none of this will surprise you. Denials pile up over small documentation gaps, audits show up with no warning, and the paperwork to defend them is never where you need it. Cash comes in slow, tying up the money the business needs to grow. And your most skilled people spend their days rekeying claims and chasing payers. That's the world BFLOW was built for. So here's what BFLOW is. One platform that takes a claim all the way from enrollment to cash, purpose-built for DME, HME, and pharmacy. It's not a generic clearinghouse with billing bolted on. It's built around how your claims actually move and the rules you actually live under. And you can run these three ways. As a software your team drives, as a managed service we run for you, or as audit defense when you need backup. And it's built by people who've done the work. More than 100 provider organizations run their billing on BFLOW today. Behind it is over 30 years of healthcare revenue cycle across payer side, hospital side, and DME. This is a founder-led, operator-run platform, not something somebody built and walked away from. Here's how it works. End-to-end. Enrollments, eligibility, claims, submission, payment posting, and then receivables and denials. Every step of that life cycle lives in one system. No stitching tools together, no exporting to a clearinghouse and re-importing remittances, no reconciling in a spreadsheet. One platform, one source of truth. Now BFLOW uses AI-driven automation, but let's be clear about what that means. We're not an AI science project. The automation lives inside the billing workflow and does the repetitive work. It posts your remittances automatically. It scrubs claims before they go out to catch the errors that cause denials. It triages denials so that your team only touches what actually needs a human. And it handles the messy adjustment codes logically. The point is, automation does the robotic work so your people can do the judgment. There's no single way to buy. Some providers just want the software and run billing themselves. Some want us to run the whole revenue cycle for them, billing, follow-up, and collections, end to end. And some just want us in their corner when an audit hits. You can start anywhere and move between them as you grow. Let's talk about audits, because for a DME provider, that's the real fear. It's not the billing, it's the audit that can wipe out a year of margin. DME is one of the most audited corners of healthcare. BFLOW keeps your documentation trail intact while you bill. So when an audit lands, the defense is already built. And if you want hands on it, we do CMS audit defense as a service backed by the same field-tested playbook we use ourselves. So what actually changes when you switch? Cash arrives faster because cleaner claims and automatic posting shorten the trip from service to deposit. You get fewer denials and less rework because errors get caught up front. Audits stop being fire drills, and you can grow without adding headcount because the automation absorbs the volume. A word on pricing. Our standard is honesty that survives diligence. No asterisks. You should know what you're paying and why before you sign, not after. It's transparent and predictable. Priced to your footprint with no surprise fees. What we quote is what you pay. And if you're worried about switching, that's our job to handle. We move your data, we set the platform up around how you actually bill, and a dedicated onboarding lead gets your team confident and live. We're beside you at go live, not handing you a login and disappearing. Our whole job is to make the switch boring. That's BFLOW. If any of this sounds like your world, The best next step is simple. Let us show you the platform, book a walkthrough at bflowsolutions.com, and we'll take it from there. Thanks for your time. Need backup.